Ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here today under the complex situation of a chicken marsala. You have one option, and that is to write your name on the board. You are to write what you find is missing or hidden inside of this. The devil is in the details, ladies and gentlemen. Do not write chicken, do not write mushroom, but find what is hidden inside of the fine lining.
Hi, I'm Cat Curran with GBS Media. I am here to help raise money for the Habitat for Humanity at the Celebrity Sous Chef Mystery Challenge. And I'm going home with the trophy, not them. Thank you.
Let's see what they're about, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi, I'm Kat, and I think the secret ingredient is this. Don't let the others know. They won't win.
So many good guesses. Who's the winner? I don't know. But you do, because you get to vote on our website, chefsforhabitat.com. Make sure you vote for your favorite celebrity sous chef, and make sure you come out on February 22nd
At the Salisbury Civic Center.